Hey guys, this is Gaddix Level 27, and I'm showing you guys an episode of the awesome helicopter. My remote! Alright. So, check this out. Oh God!
Uh-oh.
What?
The fan was messing with it.
That's so cool. It's really close to me.
Whoa!
Crash landed.
No! Helicopter down.
It's awesome. It's gonna come towards me. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Is it broke?
No.
It's not.
No, it's actually doing pretty good.
If we were outside, it'd be a lot easier.
Oh, I know what. It's the fan. The fan keeps pushing it that way.
Man, we gotta go outside with this thing.
Yeah, I know. This thing would be sweet outside. I wonder how far it would go up.
Should we try it? Should we try it?
Oh man!
Where is it? Oh.
It's right down there.
I got it. Hold on. I'll tell you when you can launch it.
Here. Come on.
Wait, do we have to get dressed? Come on.
No.
Why?
Because I'm just gonna set it on the outside.
How can you make it go? That's so cool.
No. Where'd it go?
It's in the bush.
Okay, here's the test.
Oh God. Oh, no.
Oh. Okay.
I got it.
Oh. Hold the door. Oh shit. Okay, let's wait to do these outside tomorrow, because these are going to be fun, as long as they're in an area where there's no trees. Oh man, these are awesome.
I don't know.
Here.
Flying that shit into me or I'll smack it. And then it'll break. Where'd you guys find the
Huh? He found 4, and then I found 2 in the.
See, Joey? See,
Yeah.
I have fun with it.
Alright, guys. Well, I gotta go. This is the episode. Hope you enjoyed.